Welcome to ByChat. You know you can chat with your documents, but have you ever wondered how it actually works? Let's look under the hood. It starts when you upload a document. ByChat doesn't just store the file. No. The system automatically splits the text into small logical segments, called chunks. These chunks are indexed and stored in a vector database, making every piece of data instantly searchable. Next, you define the behavior. You simply select a response style that fits your needs. Notice that changing this style automatically modifies the system prompt in the background. This system prompt is the core instruction set for the AI. While the preset styles handle it for you, experienced users can manually edit this prompt to have full control over the bot's personality and logic. Now, the interaction. When you ask a question in the chat, our AI agent takes action. It does not reread the whole document. Instead, it scans the vector database and highlights only the specific chunks relevant to your query. The agent combines those specific chunks with your system prompt instructions to generate a precise, accurate answer based strictly on your data. Smart processing, precise retrieval, and total control. That is ByChat.